Hi everyone, Miss Kelly. I'm going to show you the kick line dance for Holiday Lights. You're going to always step with one foot and kick with the other foot, but towards the side where you stepped. So the first thing is step with the right foot, left foot kicks towards the right side. Then step left, kick with the right foot but over towards the left. Okay, so it's just step, kick, kick. Now a grapevine, step, 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 tap with the left foot so that it's ready to step next. Because step with the left, kick with the right towards the left side is next. So after the grapevine, you're going to do the same thing you just did, but towards the other side. Okay, back to the beginning. Step, kick, kick. 1, 2, 3, and tap. Step, kick, 1, 2, 3, and tap. Then you're going to just do a bunch of step kicks. Step, kick, 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 step. Just put your foot down because there's no more kicks. And then it's going to be time to go to a spot on the stage where I tell you, and we just all pose for a beautiful stage picture at the end. I'll make a separate video with me doing it with the music, so after you understand what to do, you don't have to listen to me explain it every time. Okay, see you in a minute.